Hi guys. Let's start with Wix simply. Since 2006, Wix has been a platform for website design and hosting in a fast and easy way. By simply dragging and dropping, you can easily create your site even without design skills. This is done in two ways. Wix Editor with its 500 models or more with the ability to put the elements where you want. Wix Editor is ideal for businesses, online businesses, bloggers. Wix Edit Artificial Design Intelligence, Automatic Website Creator. He asks you the type of your business, your contact details. It is suitable for beginners in the field, busy businessmen who are waiting for a turnkey site in record time. The only negative point is that you cannot drag and drop images, videos and applications such as the Wix Editor. The Wix Editor step-by-step. Register, choose one of the 7 premium plans presented. There is a free package, if Wix ads do not bother you, but you will not have your own domain name. For this, premium packages exist: Connection Domain, $5, M, Combo, $11, M, Unlimited, $14, M, Basic Business, $20, M, Unlimited Business, $25, M, VIP, $29, M, VIP Business, $35, M. Select your model. Start by clicking Create a new site in the dashboard. Wix asks you to choose the type of your website. You will have to choose your category and the model of your choice, more than 500. Warning: this step is irreversible. Edit your texts and illustrations. Drag and drop and fill in the text boxes. You have the choice of font, size and color. Selection of the background. If you prefer another background, click on background and change it, or do it in video. Current trend. You can also add texts, buttons and everything you need for a good site. Images will be added by a simple drag and drop. The final appearance of the site will reflect your personality and the nature of your site. Be happy. Choose what you need from all apps on Wix Apps Market, which will give your site a modern interface to grow. These applications exist in free or premium. Wix Blog. Choose Start Blogging from the menu. If you want to add apps, click Add Apps, then add blog items such as Instagram, an RSS button to share content online. 6. Electronic Commerce. In this case, if you want to manage your store, then go to the menu and click Add, then Store, Add to Site to sell your merchandise or service. You can create coupons and set up your payments. 7. Coding. Go to the Wix Editor, search for code, then activate development tools. That's all. Tools are available to help you in your site if you have no prior knowledge in coding. One of them, and not least, is called database collections to manage your text and your images easily online. The other important tool is the famous Dynamic Pages tool, with which you can create a max web pages. The other tool, Custom Forms, it is for the forms of course and the questionnaires. 8. The publication. After previewing your website page, you will move to the final action and the most important one, that of publishing your page. This is done by clicking on Publish and it's seen all over the world. You have the choice between leaving the domain name attached to Wix or your own name. You are free. Discover the world of Wix by registering here. That's all for today. See you in another video.